What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. New money making Mondays. A new site I got for y'all is Fluxrewards. Very good site. I've been using them, on and off for a while. But I really do like this site. I got one of my subscribers, kind of brought my attention back to this site. The only reason I stopped using it is because I just, sometimes I have so many sites I'm using, so I just kind of forgot about it. It was nothing wrong with the site, but that's the good thing and the bad thing about using so many sites. Sometimes you can get crossed up or forget about a site, but I'm not doing it anymore because now I have all my sites written down in a safe place. But I want to bring this site to your attention because I have been paid by them before. It was a while ago, and I believe their cash out minimum is like $1. It's very low. I'm gonna go right to that real quick just to show you what it is here. Yeah, right there, minimum cash out $1, and you see I did get paid $1.25 from them, so it is legit. If you see over here, there's site statistics. They've been around since 2017. They've paid over $18,000, over 7,000 members. So, I mean, a lot of people are making money with this site. You see just their stats right there, just showing you. Right now, my balance, I have 14 cents. I'm going to show you some of the things you can do on this site. You can do, surveys, offers, typical, site, but, there's money into it. And I just want you guys to understand that, the more sites you add to your routine, the more money you'll make. And you see here all the things, different things you can do. Pole fish right here, that's a really good survey provider because they're not long surveys. They're like 5 minutes at the very most. They're really quick. So for those of you who get frustrated taking surveys, jump over to pole fish. Do a couple of those. Theorem reach, if you're again with the surveys, they actually do disqualification points. So each one that you're disqualified for, you'll get a point. Okay. And the rest of these, they're just offer walls. You just go in there, click. Some of the offers, okay, sign up, for a free account, or, submit your email, submit real information and get credited, simple tasks just like that. And, you'll make good money just doing offers, so I know a lot of people say they get frustrated with surveys and they can't really make a lot of money with surveys. And I tell you guys all the time, like, pay attention to what I'm telling you. Do surveys. If you're not doing well with the survey or you're getting disqualified, go to another way of making money. And the best way to do that is with offers, because offers are not taking as long as surveys, and like you just said, just submit your email or sign up for a free account, things like that. You're not having to pull out your credit card. I'm not telling you to do the paid offers. I don't recommend those, unless it's something that you really want. But if you want to do some of these free offers, then, take a look at this site. They have a lot of different things on here. Minute staff, I know you just go in there, you just click ads, what I'm saying? They don't pay a lot, but just continue to do it. Like if you get frustrated with something, there's always things you can do. Jump over, like I said, jump over the theorem reach, do a couple of those, you'll get disqualification points. Pole fish, 5-minute surveys, what I'm saying? AdSend media, these are your videos. Okay, and I also want to show you some more on the videos as well. They have a video offers tab over here. If I click on that, it'll show you some of the different things you can do. You get credited for every 3 completions of the video. You see there, you get credited for every 3 completions. All these different tabs you can use, what I'm saying? So there's money in the videos as well. And you see where the top earners are making monthly, what I'm saying? So this is not just my experience with the site. This is a lot of people. They're showing their top 10 members. So, I mean, there's money in it. You just got to be willing to put in the work. I mean, these are the people that are really put in the work, especially the first person. I mean, look, they got over almost 19,000 points. What I'm saying? They're a landslide ahead of the second person. So, I mean, you can be one of these people getting all these points. You just have to be willing to put in the work and just doing what I'm telling you. I have to also do these, what I'm saying? Just jump in, do offers, do surveys, watch your videos, what I'm saying? Even if you make a, 50 cents to $1, don't let that discourage you, just keep building on that. What I'm saying? So that's what it's about. Yeah, you're going to get frustrated, but there's lots of different opportunities to make money. You don't have to just stick with surveys. I tell you guys surveys because there's like a never-ending line of surveys. That's why it's probably best to jump on those. But whenever you get frustrated, want to take a break, do some offers. Go over to the offer walls that allow you to get disqualification points. Watch some videos, do different things like that. So there's money in it. You just have to be willing to put in the work. Just grind a little bit. Like I said, make a couple, few cents here, few cents there, and let your pile up and get your cash out, and just keep moving on. But Fluxrewards is a site that I like. I like the setup. I like what they're offering. You just gotta be willing to, just try different things. And, my 14 cent balance, I got that, in no time. I just, got back onto the site this morning, and I just kind of wanted to get back into my routine with it. So I just showed you all the different things you can do on this site. Like I said, you can sign up with the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff, because I'm always bringing you new ways to make money. And Fluxreward is definitely one of those that I want you to sign up for, so you can make a lot of money and be one of these top earners. Let's make it a goal to get our name on these on this monthly top earners list. Okay, so because you see, what people are doing, that could be us. So watch some videos, do surveys, do offers, do whatever you got to do to get the money. Cash out a minimum of $1. It doesn't get any easier than that. And just let your money stack up. All right, so like I said, sign up with Fluxrewards today. The link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.